What's up, y'all? You want that Monday noon update, do you? As you can see, check out the shop. She's looking spiffy. We got all of our stuff cleaned out. Let me turn this fan off. Oh, I said off. There we go. Oh, Lord, what have we been doing? What was the last episode you guys watched? The floors? Yeah, we did a Josh outro on the floors. My kids got involved on that one. I don't know. I wanted to put them in because the whole family comes and bugs me from time to time. So, Nova Project. Check me out. All them floors got coated. All them dash got coated. Yeah, all my trunks ready to go. It's all cleaned out, ready for shooting. Axle's out, axle's done. We got it all cleaned up. It had about an inch of muck from over the years all over it, so we got it cleaned off. And then we just brush coated that one because it's just an axle, so it just needs a fresh coating, and she's looking spiffy. So I'm gonna get the leaf springs. They're sitting out there on the sawhorses. Yeah, leaf springs are sitting on the sawhorses. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean those up like that, and we'll do the same thing to those and get those treated before it goes back in. These are gonna get poly isolators and new hardware, and I'll put the brakes back on and all that kind of stuff before I stuff it back underneath there, and new bushings and a cow track. So that's the plan back there. I'm kind of chipping away. The floor's all done underneath now and ready for coating. We cleaned everything up and got the rust scale all dealt with. So I need to get in there and spray encapsulation on all the edges so that I can seam seal it, and then we'll spray this bed liner stuff on it over here. I'm going to try some new product from the good old Freights of Harbor and see how that does. It's just underneath the floor, so I figure that's a good candidate to try a new material. It's cheap, it's readily available, and it's kind of newish stuff to me anyway on the market. Firewall's done. We'll put the same material on it as we do the bottom of the floor, and then I can come through and seam seal. Once it's all seam sealed up, then we'll prep it for final coatings. All that stuff kind of gets done all at the same time, so I'm kind of biting off a lot, trying to get it all ready for coatings at the same time, and then I can just pretty much wrap up this whole car. In the meantime, we decided we'd go ahead and deal with that little tiny rust spot that we had right there. And as you can see, the quarter panel's cut way open, and now I have a wheelhouse issue and an inner wheelhouse issue, and we got issues. Send me some tissues. So we're going to go ahead and work through that. I've got the quarter panel piece sitting over here, but I didn't order a wheelhouse because I didn't know I needed a wheelhouse. So I'm going to order the wheelhouse with the bushings I need and the air conditioner and the wiring harness in about, I don't know, $7,000 worth of crap that I need to put this car back together. And then we'll start chipping away at putting it back together. In the meantime, I'm going to fix the inner wheelhouse, cut this stuff off, and then kind of prep the area. I've got a little bit of work to do on that other side. If I can get all that stuff done, minus the outer skin and the little bit of wheelhouse I need, I should be able to get in and take care of the trunk. So that would, trunk, floor, and then all I would have left is the wheel wells and a little bit of body work out here. So anyway, that is your Monday Nova noon whatever update. I'm working like heck to make sure that I'm covering the projects, covering the content, and also covering the business bases and events and family, and then. So hopefully by now I've earned your subscriptions. Most all of you guys, in fact 95% of you guys haven't subscribed yet, so I'd really appreciate your subscription down there below. I'm trying to keep you guys all up to date and doing my best to provide you with quality content and quality craftsmanship. So anyway, hope to see you guys next week. I'll do my best to keep the train rolling. Appreciate y'all. See you Monday.